your dreams. So unlike what you've seen, so true but it seems. Cause we've been waiting for you, falling into this place, giving you a small taste of your afterlife. Here, so stay, you'll be back as soon anyway. I see a distant light, my girl, this can't be right. Such a surreal place to see, so how did this come to be? Rock to Wally. And when I think of all the places I just don't belong, I've come to grips with life and realize this is going too far. I don't belong here, we gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife, cause this time I'm right to move on and on, far away from here. Guarding yourself from the love of another, left you with nothing tonight. Why does it sound like the devil is laughing, leaving me haunted tonight? You did this Well, then I can allow this to become another one of those times when I'm left in the cold. Dead, there's no compromise, just another time. I know I need to sever. Guarding yourself from the love of another, left you with nothing tonight. Why does it sound like the devil is laughing, leaving me haunted tonight? You did Well, now it seems I'm again and I've lost another one of the ones and it broke through the wall. Damn, fate won't compromise. I am sunrise. If only we could fly. Limp Bizkit style. John Otto, take it to the Matthews Bridge. Can you feel it? A generation. Get up! A generation. Are you ready? Do you know where you are? Welcome to the jungle, punk. Take a look around. It's Limp Bizkit fucking up your town. We downloaded the shockwave for all the ladies in the cave to get you groove on. And maybe I'm the one who flew over the cuckoo's nest. Well, guess who's next? Generation X, Generation Strange. I'll even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk shit. Talk shit about me. And go ahead and talk shit about my generation. 'Cause we don't give a fuck and we won't ever give a fuck. state line, miles away from those I love. Purpose hard to find. While I recall the words you spoke to me, can't help but wish that I was there, like where I'd love to be. Oh yeah. Dear God, the only thing I ask of you is to hold me when I'm not around, when I'm much too far away. We all need that person who can be true to you, but I left her when I found her, and now I wish I'd stay. 'Cause I'm lonely and I'm tired, I'm missing you again. Oh no. Once again, there's nothing here for me on this barren road. There's no one here while the city sleeps and all the shops are closed. Can't help but think of the times I've had with you, pictures and some memories will have to help me through. Oh yeah. Dear God, the only thing I ask of you is to hold her when I'm not around, when I'm much too far away. We all need that person who can be true to you. I left her when I found her, and now I wish I'd stay. 'Cause I'm lonely and I'm tired, I'm missing you again. Oh no. Once again. Well, some search, never finding a way. Before long, they waste away. I found you, something told me to stay. I gave in to selfish ways, and how I miss someone to hold when